The Renault Scenic has undergone a significant transformation, evolving into the all-new Scenic E-TECH Electric. This vehicle is tailored for families, emphasizing their freedom and safety during travel. It aligns with Renault's Renaulution strategic plan, showcasing the brand's commitment to sustainability, cutting-edge technology, and inclusivity. The Scenic's history spans 27 years, having been introduced in 1996 as the first compact MPV in European automotive history. Over the years, it has adapted to the changing needs and environmental concerns of families. The latest iteration boasts an all-electric powertrain, offering a 620 km plus WLTP range, making it a sustainable choice for family travel. The vehicle's design is both bold and functional. Built on the CMF EV platform developed by the Alliance, it has a compact footprint but offers unparalleled interior space. Its compact battery, providing up to 87 kWh, further maximizes the interior space. The motor, delivering up to 220 horsepower, ensures the car is agile and responsive. The interior is designed for comfort with ample space for passengers and luggage. Innovative features like the Solar Bay opacifying glass roof and ingenious armrest enhance the comfort level. Additionally, the OpenR Link multimedia system, equipped with over 50 apps, ensures an enjoyable and seamless journey for all occupants. The all-new Scenic E-TECH Electric is also the first in Renault's lineup to feature the Esprit Alpine trim, adding a sporty flair to the vehicle. It continues to be manufactured at the Douai plant Electricity and is set to hit the market at the beginning of 2024. Renault's vision for the future of mobility is evident in this vehicle. The company aims to reduce the environmental impact of its vehicles throughout their life cycle. This commitment is part of Renault's broader goal to achieve carbon neutrality in Europe by 2040 and globally by 2050. The fifth-generation Renault Scenic embodies this new vision, emphasizing smarter consumption and more responsible production. The all-new Scenic E-TECH Electric is a testament to this vision, representing a sustainably designed all-electric family vehicle. The vehicle's sustainable approach is further highlighted by its manufacturing process. Assembled in France at the electricity plant in Douai, the car sets a new standard for green, safe, and innovative mobility. The motor is also produced in France at the Mega Factory in Cléon. Remarkably, up to 24% of the vehicle's materials are recycled, and 90% of its mass, including the battery, is recyclable. This commitment to sustainability underscores Renault's dedication to pioneering a safer and more responsible future for mobility. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.